Bro, I have no idea why this is live right now. Absolutely no reason for this to be live at this point. I'm not sure
No
if I'm getting
idea
hacked or what's
why.
going on, but there's no way this should be live. Someone messaged me saying, "Hey bro, you're live right now." I'm like, "What the fuck? I'm eating some dal chawal right now." And I look at my phone and it's live, and I'm like, "Yo, what am I streaming?" And I looked, there's Market Fluidity logo. Man, shit, man. I have no clue what's going on. Good thing there weren't any, like, some weird windows open. This is so fucked. I have no idea what's going on. So anyway, let's just do some analysis here while we're here. I just came upstairs. All right, so let's just remove pound yen. Yeah, we're gonna do some analysis here. So daily candle is closing bearish over here. We got a support on a daily candle here, right? See, we tried moving down, but we came right back up. Bro, this is some crazy stuff happening. Crazy. So going to the 4-hour time frame. Oh yeah, thank God we're ranging. No analysis. There we go. Analysis ended. So this is a 4-hour support, and then we got the 4-hour resistance over here, and then we got the next resistance at 139. We drop down to the 1-hour time frame, and boom, that's what we have right now. This is it. This is it, guys. This is the whole analysis here for today. The Asian session broken down on pound yen. We got resistance, we got support, and man, this is actually not that hard. Perfect. We got resistance up over here, we got support down over here. If we break below 138, 880, 380, something like that, I think it's gonna. What? That's our entry. The Gulag is already in the Asian session trade right now. Crazy. Oh, my son's going crazy in the background. He's like, yo, what the hell? You're in the office? Yeah, so let's measure this range over here. This is a 30 pip range. Yeah, I'd say like maybe a break about 138, 720, 730. We could move up. But if we move up towards 139, man, there's a really high probability we're going to break above 139 and then go all the way towards 139, 600. If we break above 139, right? So tomorrow is going to be a last volume day. And then obviously, we're moving into the Christmas holidays. So got to be very careful. But if we break below 138, what's this? 138, 38. How long have I been streaming here for? Oh, it just started 5 minutes ago. Jesus, shit, man. Yeah, so if we break below 138, where's Josh? Is Josh in here? Josh, man, see, yo, man, your shit is online. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, if we break below here, we can come down over here. It's like 30 pip range. So these breakdowns are normally sent to my groups, but since for some reason we're live, so I guess we'll do it right now. So awesome. Let's go towards your JPY. Oh, your JPY came down to the support we marked down in the New York session. Perfect. So we're jumping off the support over here. Jumping. You guys remember that song? Jumping. Drake. And okay, so now we have a pretty decent range here for price to come down to, right? So this is a support around 125, 950, 960. And if you break below 125, 950, 960, you have this 20 pip range for price to come down, right? But if we take a look at it from a perspective of, okay, what can be buys? I think buys are going to be pretty hard, because the reason why is because if, let's say, price does continues up from this point, you got first rejection zone around 126, 130. It's like 6 pips away. That's nothing. And even let's say we go all the way up towards, like 126, this area is like 13 pips away, right? Nothing. Pretty bad range. So I think a pretty good buy is going to be above 126, 190, 126, 200, because you got clean range here, 18, 20 pip range. I mean, look, clean candle here. That would be a pretty nice trade going up. At the same time, I think we'll need to break below 125, 950 for price to continue down. So this whole area is going to be like a garbage rejection area over here. So I have to wait a little bit for price to break below 125, 960 for price to continue down. Now, from a fundamental point of view, I'm not sure what's going to happen with this new strain of virus coming in now. Like, how convenient, right? Like central London, new strain comes in and everybody's in London, everyone is going home, and all of a sudden the whole world's going to get it. Amazing. So yeah, so we'll need to see a break below 125, 960 to go into this clean range. So basically, this is a good range to trade right here, and this is the next good range to trade right over here. right? This range up over here, this range down over here. And if we measure this range, this is like a 17, 20 pip range, 18 pip range. This is around like 22, 23 pip range, right? Other than that, this in the middle is pretty nasty range. So we'll have to wait here a little bit. Let's take a look at gold over here. So looking at gold, let's remove all analysis, start from the daily. And now look how fast I'm going to analyze gold, right? We still got around 20 minutes left for this candle to close. Is the world glitching? Yes. So daily candles coming down. We got a wick to fill around 1855. So basically that's our support down over here. We're also bouncing off of a resistance at 1887, and before bouncing off that resistance, price was bouncing off of this resistance area as well around 1872, which was support. Now it will kind of like become resistance. So let's dive down into the 4-hour time frame and let's see what's going on. So notice how this resistance now, this one right here, it mapped exactly on the 4-hour time frame right there. You see this? I never even looked at this chart. This is the first time I'm looking at this chart, and I mapped it based on this area 1870 and go through 4-hour, boom, got a support down over there. So basically we're making a low. We can fill the wick over here at 1855. We talked about how price is going to continue moving down because, you know, soon later on we're getting the vaccines coming in. So when the vaccines come in, that's actually good for the economy because vaccines mean like, you know, the shops start opening, economies start to open, people spend more money, so that's considered good for the economy, right? So that for that reason, gold should continue moving down. Now, looking at it on a 1-hour time frame, holy, look at this, bro. Look at this candle. We are creating consolidation, and then we're closing below. And if we're closing below, and we're waiting for the volume to kick in, that volume is going to kick in around Asian session. So can't we anticipate price to continue down towards 1856, 1855? And if we measure that range, it's like a 58 pip range, man. Look at this. 58, 55 pip range. Pretty good range. You know, so closer to Asian Open, if we get moved down, we're going to continue moving down. So, Raja, take your breath and make it easy. How about you keep your comments to yourself? Raja is a goat. Thank you, but this is out of my training time. Not gonna break my plan. Not even from Mr. Wicks. Don't lie. Have a good one. Thank you, man. Have a good one. So yeah, I don't know. Like people who are coming in right now, my stream automatically started on, and I didn't even realize it. So I guess here we are. So all right. So I'm gonna head off over here. Good luck. If you missed it, just go back and watch it. We broke down pound yen, euro JPY, and gold for this session here in the Asian session. So yeah, I guess that's about it. So we'll see you. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Take care. How do you end this now, man?